Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Polestar 4 performance. Polestar 4 is a bold step forward in the evolution of electric vehicles. Designed to push boundaries and redefine expectations, it combines performance, luxury, and sustainability in a way that feels effortless. Every detail, from its aerodynamic silhouette to its cutting-edge technology, is crafted with precision and purpose. This is not just an electric car, it's a vision of the future. The exterior of Polestar 4 is a masterpiece of modern design. Its sleek, sculpted body reflects a balance between power and elegance, with a low, aggressive stance that commands attention. The elimination of the rear window is a revolutionary design choice, improving aerodynamics while enhancing the immersive in-car experience. The frameless side mirrors, flush door handles, and signature LED lighting further emphasize its futuristic appeal. Inside, Polestar 4 is a sanctuary of comfort and innovation. The interior is crafted with premium, sustainable materials that reflect a commitment to eco-conscious luxury. Recycled textiles, responsibly sourced aluminum, and vegan leather options create a refined and responsible space. The panoramic glass roof adds to the open, airy feel, while the ergonomic seats provide unmatched support and relaxation. Every element is designed to enhance the driving experience, making every journey feel extraordinary. Performance is at the core of Polestar 4. The powerful dual-motor system delivers instant acceleration, launching the vehicle with seamless precision. With all-wheel drive and intelligent torque distribution, handling is both responsive and smooth. Whether cruising through city streets or taking on winding roads, Polestar 4 offers an exhilarating drive that is both dynamic and refined. Range and efficiency are key aspects of Polestar 4's engineering. Its high-capacity battery ensures an impressive driving range, making long-distance travel effortless. Fast charging capabilities reduce downtime, allowing drivers to recharge quickly and continue their journey. Regenerative braking technology optimizes energy use, making every drive more efficient and sustainable. Polestar 4 is built around cutting-edge technology. The intelligent infotainment system, powered by Google, offers seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play are integrated into the system, providing real-time navigation, voice commands, and access to entertainment. The high-resolution display and customizable digital dashboard keep vital information at the driver's fingertips, ensuring an intuitive and distraction-free experience. Safety is a top priority, with advanced driver assistance systems that enhance confidence on the road. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic emergency braking provide an extra layer of security. The innovative camera and sensor system ensures a 360-degree view, making parking and maneuvering easier than ever. Polestar 4 represents the next chapter in electric mobility. It's not just about driving, it's about experiencing the future with every mile. With its perfect fusion of power, luxury, and sustainability, Polestar 4 redefines what an electric vehicle can be. This is progress in motion. This is Polestar 4. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.